Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if app icon badge numbers are not showing in your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to fix this, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if app icon badge number are not showing in your device Oppo A57e.